Today we step back into the past to visit a little dairy farm tucked away amidst a growing business district. From what I could find online, the farm was active from the 1950s until 1988 when dairy farming in the area took a huge hit. The barn has been sitting in silence now for over 3 decades as vines have taken over and covered it with a new beauty than it once had. We're obviously not the first to explore, though. There's a path here. What does that say? Welcome to our home. This place isn't in really bad shape. It's like...
Oh, this is the garage right here.
Oh. Let me see. Oh, I just stepped in a spider web. Oh, my shadow just startled me. Oh, cool. Is there anything in it?
There's a record in here. Oh, not a record plate.
There's the stereo, there's the turntable.
Dude. I mean, you can. Little cigarette butt.
That's cool. These are little stools or something. That's cute. I think they were empty. There's a shoe.
Yeah, sit there.
It's an old saddle shoe.
No, maybe for horses. Did it?
What?
There's a whole bunch of these things, though. I'll check this one out. You check that one out.
Looks like
workshop, I think.
there's like drawers and stuff in this one. Not much.
Yeah, not much at all, actually.
That one's not worth it.
Yeah, no, not at all. I don't know if we can be able to walk in that mall. That's a nice couch, though. Yeah. That's one thing. Why happened to the Be careful. What happened to the door frame?
Oh, busted it. I heard something. You what? Some people? There's always got to be somebody that...
Like, bro.
Let me see.
That's how the music. Mom, where's the working over here? Be careful.
Oh, follow like the door frame.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'll go over here.
Girl. Teeny tiny little bathroom. Oh, I'm not going in there. There's a huge spider web there. That was just a storage shelf anyway. I'm right here. Oh. Like that door right there was obviously blocked off at one point, and that must have been a window. So I'm wondering if either this or the front was maybe like an
addition.
Peekaboo.
Hi.
An addition. There's a porch.
Swimmer inside. What's this thing?
Oh, there's a bathtub back there.
Oh, damn. Interested in that?
Oh, hello.
Hi. There's a YouTuber that says
That ceiling though, wow. Wow, this kitchen is gutted. Ooh. Huh. That's a cramped little bathroom. Bird's nest.
Really? It's better looking than the other bathroom. I'm not here. What the heck is that on the wall? Oh wait, there's an attic.
That right there?
Yeah.
There was probably a wood stove here, or... Oh.
Look it up here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no need to see the attic and stuff.
That's creepy.
For real, for real. Look at that.
Hold on.
There's a hole in the floor. It's from a pipe. Yeah. What's that?
Taylor, probably.
You don't smell the mold?
Not really. I mean, it's really wide open.
Yeah.
Which room?
This room. This room. I do not like this room at all.
Why are the ceilings black?
Huh? I didn't even realize that. Maybe they fixed it.
Oh, wow.
On the other side where that barn was, it said enter if you dare. Or die if you enter.
That's creepy.
It is.
What was this? Chicken coop?
Probably. Oh yeah, chicken coop. Definitely. Hold on.
Probably. Wait. You didn't.
There's a comforter from there.
Definitely not a chicken coop anymore.
Got a very big door on that side. Yeah, I got that. I didn't get the other side though. You don't touch it, wait. I look down. Everybody got me? There's a big bucket. Come on, this is a workshop.
This little building.
This is a workshop.
Oh, yeah?
There's a big bucket and cool stuff.
This place is cool looking. Watch out. This was... Who knows?
Can.
Maybe a little pigsty or something?
Maybe.
Huh.
Nothing much up there.
Yeah, no. I can't really see.
I'm scared. Oh, let's go look at the
Sorry.
floor. There's some like tires and stuff in here. It's not much. What did you? Not much. No. Not much at all.
Still pretty cool. Huh. I don't know what this was. Oh, license plate. Huh.
No, no.
Ooh, freaking grasshopper just scared me. Wow. Derek. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Be very careful. Do not touch anything. I mean, look at this. The whole thing is caving in. That's so amazing. What's this? This is a score right here.
Little bell there, so I'm not. Be careful of the wasp nest.
Maybe a watering trough?
Maybe.
Well, just be really careful not to bump anything because we don't want to get squashed.
Thing. Oh, you like those are lights actually.
Don't bump your head, please. Oh, I was gonna go out that door, but I guess not. $1988. I don't see anything marked either, like...
Was that here?
I don't know. No, that's totally different. But I'm curious if that barn is in here.
Yeah, right?
Oops. Oops.
What's this say? Farm. Jim Patrio.
1988. That's crazy.
Progressive farmer photograph.
There was a newspaper under here too. I wanted to see.
Over here.
It was like... Oh, that's another calendar. 1988.
American Breeders Service.
Yeah, I think so. This place must have closed in 1988. Because that's 87.
I was 8 years old.
I was like 3. Wow. 88, 87. That's the only dates I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's what this is for.
Anyway, let's put it back the way we found it. This was here. I don't know, but I don't think I would be touching that. This looks cool. What is this? It spins.
Yeah.
So I would say this place was in operation until about 88, because
You know
that's
what
what
this is?
that's what this said.
It's a plug, spark plug cover. It's the boot. Cover spark plug with it.
So 88.
Apparently he had an upset stomach. He ate my like that.
88. That's when this place ended, I think. This is just insane. Wait. I want to see if I can get into one of the silos. What?
See the thing inside of it.
Oh, that's the silo? Those ones you can't really get into, but... That's insane. insane. Oops. Oh, wow. Cool. Echo.
How the hell did you get there? What? Huh?
That's just...
Get out of this so I can look. I think it used to be a table or like a book.
That is really cool. I'm scared to touch the freaking sides. There you go. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Can you get across here?
Probably not. Is that sturdy? No.
They seem sturdy enough.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. I'm a little nervous with this. Oh shit, there's other.
What's up there?
Oh.
Definitely some crazy shit.
Huh?
Mine.
It's like a...
I want to see, but I don't want to climb up there.
I'm
Because
scared.
I'm afraid of heights. Hello! I want to stand on that.
Yeah, I'm not going up anymore.
Okay, come back down
too
carefully,
scared.
please.
I'm going. They don't feel too sturdy, honestly.
Yeah, I wouldn't climb no further than the third, fourth one. Not even the third one. You have to back up a little.
I know. I'm gonna try to get into this one. This is so... They're so big. I can't even get to the top of it. Oops. Okay. They're so big. Ooh, I want to climb this one and get a picture. Look, it's open at the top. What if I climb that and got like a... Wow.
Don't lose my keys.
Is that old feet? What is that stuff?
Yeah, old feet, yeah. Hey, old hay.
What was in the other one? Oh, jeez. Cool. I want to climb one so bad. Should we? No, right?
There's no weed in it. There's just you. Go right in it. Not me. I'm scared of it.
Hold this.
Where are you climbing?
I'm recording.
Oh.
I'm climbing back. There goes my
See, oh my god.
And he caught that on video. What else is through here? I think this was a cattle barn. Warning, the following footage shows the dangers of exploring with teenagers lacking self-preservation and or common sense. I am lucky to have lived to tell my tale after a long and grueling explanation that went in one ear and out the other. Continue watching at the risk of your own amusement. Get down, please, before you bury us all.
Isn't that balloon? This is actually very sturdy.
Okay, but the ceiling obviously is not. That is so beautiful.
I want to see what it looks like. I have to see what it looks like.
No.
Taylor, no,
It's sturdy.
no. The floor is not. Get
I'm not
down.
going to stand on the floor. I just want to climb up there.
You won't be able to touch the floor anyway.
No. You have to learn when things are safe and when they're not, and that is not safe.
It's safe.
No, it's not, because you see it hanging on this wall right here. It could cave in if you put any pressure on that ladder.
I would have put pressure.
Okay, but don't do it again.
Jane.
I wonder what this was. A table? That was a table.
Yeah.
A glass table.
When you get to the end over there, look up. Some old doors or shutters. I told her the same thing. I'm not sure what will happen to the land here, but I think it's safe to say that the future outcome of these buildings seems pretty grim. For now, though, they stand as a proud reminder of what once was.